Hi, it's Watercolor with Wendy, kindergarten version. And our today's lesson is about, does paint stick? So let's say that you are painting this is on soaking wet paper, and make something that you're working on. And you go, oh, I don't like that. So what can you do? You can run it under a faucet or put it in here, and the paint comes off just like a good old Etch-a-Sketch. So that's because the paper was still wet and the paint was still active. So let's say you have a painting that's completely dry, like this, and then you say, well, what would happen if I spilled some water on it? Nothing happens. Why is that? That is because the paint has married itself to the paper. So it's inside the paper and it's glued sort of inside the paper and it won't come off. So that's kind of dramatic, but you get the point. So let's say that you didn't paint properly. That means you didn't have enough water on the paper, and you had some paint that was not absorbed into the paper. This is dry, so if I put my finger on that, that isn't quite dry. Well, just go like that. When this dries off, you can get it off because it is not married to the paper. So you don't want that to happen, because that means it's not translucent anymore. So what do? You clean it off this way. You can actually clean off a painting that has opaque paint on it, and then this will come off and it'll become translucent again. That's what you want to do. So that's our physics lesson for today in kindergarten lesson 2.